I've always loved being a mom, but when you're diagnosed with cancer and that threatens to take that away from you, we talked a lot about how my journey, but also their journey, is gonna prove to them that they can do hard things. And I think that they did a really good job of finding little details that are like the beautiful parts about life. Around Christmas time, I had like a pretty good feeling that there was something wrong. I noticed a small dimple on the side of my nipple. At some point, the nipple inverted, and I knew at that point that like this was really bad. I'm a nurse. I know well enough that like this was really bad. I did the breast MRI. I was getting ready to leave, and I got a call from the radiologist, and he was like, "You need to come back. I didn't want you to drive home without getting the biopsies done." It was invasive lobular carcinoma. I started with 5 months of chemo. Then after that, I did my double mastectomy, and following that, I did 6 weeks of radiation. I learned a lot about invasive lobular carcinoma and how it lacks a protein, and so it grows in like sheets versus a formed mass, and so it just does not show up well on mammograms or ultrasound. During my treatment, I actually didn't have any scans, and following treatment, there's not set scans or recommended scans. So my oncologist told me about Signatera and how he wanted to use that for me because I am such a high risk of a reoccurrence. I felt like when I was told I was cancer-free, which I base it off of my first negative Signatera, it's like better than winning the lottery. Like, it's like you get life, which is something that I feel like cancer fighters are so desperate for. It's just more time. Go. So much of your cancer journey is powerless, and I feel like Signatera helped me to take back some of that power. I don't have to just sit back and worry and wait. I don't have to think about cancer all the time. And now that I'm on this other side and I'm feeling better, and I get to bring back the joy of being a mom and like making childhood magical for them, that's what brings me so much joy.